This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2022-21, round 1 junior, and this is question 5, going the distance. Okay, so this question is quite overwhelming, there's quite a lot to do, but if we break it down into smaller problems, we should see that it becomes perfectly manageable. Okay, so the first thing to do, as always, is to input our things. So we need to input the temperature, and we always also need to input the distance per circuit. So let's input that as a number. Okay, so now this is where it gets difficult. So our rules differ depending on whether it's a cold day or a warm day. But I think all you can notice is that either way, you will always run at least 2 laps. So let's implement that now. So let's say our total distance run is going to be equal to 2 laps. So distance times 2. And if it's a cold day, that's actually all we need to do. We've calculated our distance and we're done. Because that's what it says here. But if it's a warm day, there's a bit more logic that we have to implement. So let's just check for that. If temp is warm, then we need to implement this logic. So the way to do this is to check if our current total is already above 10 kilometers or not. So let's say if our total is smaller than or equal to 10 kilometers. So if we haven't run enough, then we need to increase our total by an extra lap. So let's do that. So total plus equals dist. And that should be all we need. We just now need to print out the total, and that should work. Yeah, so what we've seen here is we kind of figured out at each point what's the condition for what I need to do. Then I check for that condition, and then I do it. Excellent, that works.